crown is a way for us to restore a tooth that either has a breakage or is severely decayed. A typical crown is actually made out of porcelain. It's a porcelain covering that basically covers and protects the tooth structure. Other types of crowns would be gold. A gold crown is a great way to restore a back tooth. Another type of crown is a porcelain fused to metal type of crown that has a metal substructure with porcelain built on top for aesthetics. Other types of crowns include a porcelain fused to zirconia, which basically has a zirconia substructure with porcelain built on top.
The ideal patient for a dental crown is someone that has either broken a tooth or has a fracture in that tooth, or someone that is wanting to do a more comprehensive appearance change, changing the appearance of their smile.
There's not many alternatives to a dental crown, nothing that's going to be as strong as a crown. So if you had a very large broken area of a tooth, either due to just a fracture or decay, then you would probably need either a large filling or just some sort of temporary filling that wouldn't last as long as a crown.
Dental crowns can be cared for just like your natural teeth. Brushing, flossing, and coming in for routine hygiene visits just to monitor the health of the crown.